wash it out, and get them curls back. I mean, who don't like curls? It's curls, curls, curls. We've been down, it's my regular. I'm talking. Long time no see. I know it's because of me, but hey, welcome back to me channel. Yes, I said me channel. I am back with another video to show you guys how to properly revert your straight hair back to its naturally curly state. Okay, y'all, but before we get started with this video, I actually want y'all to see my hair. So I've been rocking this silk press for about 2 weeks, and it's time to go. It's dead, y'all. It's dry. It's dull, it has no movement, and I mean, I miss my curly hair. So I decided to do an aloe vera pre-poo because my hair is in desperate need of that moisture and also the nutrients that is inside the aloe vera plant. We're gonna get into this video, this tutorial, and I hope you guys enjoy it. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up. Please comment below if you have any questions, or we can just chit chat in the comments bar. I mean, I'm cool, get to know your girl. And also subscribe to my channel. You're going to need a spray bottle with lukewarm water, grapeseed oil, and a fresh aloe vera plant that is going to be sliced down the middle, cut into pieces, similar to what I have right here in the video. So what you see me doing here is sectioning off my hair. When I do my hair, I love working into sections. And the reason why is because it's an easier process, it's quicker, and it's less messy. I then go in with the wide tooth comb, making sure that my hair is tangle free, because when using the aloe vera plant on tangled hair, it will snag the hair. And you don't want no hair breakage, right? I then split that into two, that half into two. Subsection this part. And pin it with the other hair. Next, you're going to saturate your hair with water. You're going to need more than 1 or 2 sprints. You're going to actually need to drench your hair with water. Once you're done spraying your hair, you're going to rake that water through your hair, making sure every strand is wet. You're then going to apply your aloe vera plant to your hair, working it from the roots to the end. As you see what I'm doing now, I started at the roots. Now I'm working it to the ends, making sure all of those nutrients are out of the plant. So now I'm going to rake the nutrients throughout my hair. This is the method that I prefer to use. I like to rake my hair versus using a comb or a dimming brush, just because it causes less breakage and shedding. As you guys can see, my curls are starting to revert back. Okay, y'all, so now since we're done with this portion, we're going to move on to the next portion, and it's actually really repetitive. You're going to repeat all of those steps over. Saturate your hair with water. Apply the aloe vera plant from root to end. Don't forget, root to end. And rake the product throughout your hair. So the aloe vera plant has been applied to this section of my hair. My curls have reverted back. My hair was juicy, soft, and bouncy. But hey, don't forget the grapeseed oil. So what I'm doing now is applying the grapeseed oil to my hair. And instead of clipping this portion away, what I like to do is twist it away. Okay, y'all, so everything else is really self-explanatory. What you're going to do now is just repeat those steps over and over until you get to the end. So I'm going to just let the video play, and I'm just going to let you guys see my hair revert back to its natural state.
Cause you're whining your body, baby. So crazy. Love me your body, baby. Get me what needs to me. I just wanna let you know. Oh, every day. You don't need no other body. You don't need no other body. Only you feel on my body. Only you feel on my body. You don't need no other body. Hey, baby, everybody's the same. No one loves you like that. No one wants you the same way. Up till the morning, man.
Okay, y'all, so we have finally reached the end, and what you see me doing now is applying the aloe vera plant to the perimeter of my hair, making sure that my edges did receive the same nutrients that my hair did. I then go in with my oil, applying it to my scalp, and then I also decide to apply more to my hair as well. Massaging the oil into my scalp, and finally going back in with the wide tooth comb to make sure my hair is detangled and tangle free. Okay, so my hair is fully detangled. All of the aloe vera and oil is in my hair. Can we just get some curl appreciation going right now? Like, look at it. Gorgeous. Yes. Do it, y'all. Do this combo, okay? So what I'm going to do now is pin my hair back with a hair clip. I'm also going to put a shower cap on my head because I'm going to let this aloe vera and oil sit in my hair for about 5 to 10 minutes and proceed with wash day. Okay, y'all, I'm not gonna even lie. This is a very messy process, but it's well worth it. Thank you guys for tuning in. If you like the content, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, please comment below. And hey, don't forget to subscribe.